What's going on, everyone? I wanted to make this video to show you how I made my DJI Osmo counterweight balance. I just recently got a DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and they really seem to want you to use this with just your bare phone, and I'm just not going to do that. I have a case on my phone and I'm going to use it with that. Actually, this one is too big and that's fine, but it doesn't even fit in there. You can see it doesn't fit. But I have a LifeProof case which does fit. Or if I just take the bumper off of this OtterBox, it'll fit like that. So that's good enough. I'll use that to show you today how my solution works. But this is the end product right here, and it just works great. You'll notice my Osmo 2, I also took off these bumpers. There's typically like rubber thing there, rubber thing on the back. I took all that out so that it could just fit more in there, like this case. I'm not using it with with just my phone. So as you can see, the phone needs to stay like this and be balanced, and it's very heavy that side. So the one adjustment they give you on the Osmo is this little thing. Unscrew that and pull it out. So okay, now I've pulled that out and it's a little bit better. You see, it's like it almost is balanced, but it's not. And the problem with it not being balanced is the motor has to work really hard, and that'll lower your battery, or it just won't like balance. So you see, we need more weight on this side. We need it to look like that. That means it's balanced. That's not balanced. So we need a little more weight there. So with my solution, this thing, this is a Velcro strap. I'm just gonna attach it right there. It's not like secure on there or whatever. I mean, you know, it'll rattle around, but honestly, it'll just stay. What I mean is, like, this is a little bit loose, and that's okay. That is okay. So now look, it's heavier on that side. So back to this adjustment right here with this wheel, we can unscrew the wheel and push it back you know, this way until it is balanced. So I'll just push it, let go. Still heavier on this side, so push it, let go. It's getting, I mean, that's pretty balanced. Maybe, I mean, yeah, maybe a little bit more like that, and that is balanced. So as you can see, we are balanced. So now I tighten this right here, this wheel. I keep looking over there because that's how I can see what's on my computer. So I mean, what's on the screen. So tighten that, and now we're balanced. So if I hold the on button right there, we're good to go. I've got my Osmo working, and don't go crazy with the movements, but, like, you know, I mean, this thing is just sitting there and it works. That is my counterbalance, and I want to show you one more thing about it. So let me just turn this off. They sell a GoPro adapter for the Osmo, and I think it costs about $25, which actually, by the way, they sell counterweights for the Osmo as well, and that cost about $25. This thing cost me like $5. I mean, and I bought two products and just like used them. I didn't have to like cut any holes or anything, or like glue anything. I just used them. So now I'm going to show you how I have a GoPro, and I'm going to show you how to put that in my Osmo Mobile with no adapter, and I need the weights for it. So the first thing you need to do, the Osmo Mobile 2, is like this orientation. You need to unscrew this right here and flip it to the portrait video mode, which is like that. So now it's in this orientation. Okay, so now it's grabbing it by like the left and right sides. And we need that because we're going to put the GoPro like this. Okay, it's going to clamp on the sides. The way you attach a GoPro in is you secure it to the front just like this, and you need to have it clamped down on the sides. So it's like this, and you're gonna have to use your Osmo Mobile backwards like this, but that's okay. You don't saved buying stuff, but look at this. You know, we need to balance it again. It's way heavier on that side. So first we'll try using this wheel, and we'll unscrew it, push it all the way to the other side, and tighten it. Still way heavier on this side, so we need some weight on this side. The ones that they sell in the store don't make a weight on this side, but what I did is I measured the width of this little hole right here, this little opening right there, and it was about a 1/2 inch. So that was what got me to get the 1/2 inch width of the Velcro with the strap. So take out my GoPro, and right in this side here I'm just gonna strap it like that. Okay, alright, so now I've done that. As you can see here, I've strapped my weights to this side, so it's right there, and I've still got a way to clamp it. So just as before, clamp it, and look at that. It's already almost done, but look, it's a little too heavy on this side, and that's good because we can use this wheel, pull it out to make it even. So loosen it, pull it out. Now that's too heavy, push it in, too heavy, push it in, too heavy. Looks just about perfect, so I'll tighten it up. Okay, and now I will just hold it this way, powered on. It's a little off balance, but not so much that it won't work. So now I've got my Hero in my Osmo, ready to shoot, gimbal, and I didn't have to buy any adapter or anything. So that's how I did it. That's how I made this awesome counterweight solution, and it works really well. And the best part about it is I just bought it and it just worked. And the items were in stock at my Home Depot, so it wasn't like I had to go on Amazon and wait. I just went and got them that day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.